very good morning and welcome to today's class. Today we are studying about what is integer. We already discussed. Today we are studying about addition and subtraction of integers. So hope you know what is integer now. If you have doubt in that one, first of all go to the playlist and watch that session. Then you can start this one, addition and subtraction of the integers. Okay, you have to know more basic concept in this session, integers. Then only we can move further with our textbook exercise and all. So first of all, we are not starting now with our textbook exercise. In coming videos, we will start our textbook exercise. Now we are understanding, so we are just recalling all our basic points. See, these all the points we already studied in our 6th standard. So all my dear students, take a notebook and a pen and note down all the points. Okay, so you can practice it later with more examples. Okay, so now let's start our today's class. So before that, what is an integer? An integer is, okay, you already watched that session, right? Okay, what is an integer? An integer is a collection of numbers with whole numbers together with negative numbers. Come to our topic, add and subtract integers. Okay, so most of them have confusion how to do adding and subtracting without making a single mistake. So here we are studying some rules. There are only 2 rules, very small, simple rules to remember that. Okay, I will write the rules. We have 2 rules. We have rule 1 and rule 2. Just remember 2 rules and it will be very easy for you to add and subtract. So it will be helpful also to avoid the mistakes also. So let's check what are the rules. Okay, what is the rule 1? In rule 1 means same sign. Same sign. If both the numbers have same sign, what to do? And rule 2 is if both the numbers have different sign, what to do? Okay, both the numbers have same sign. So we can write one example here. If I am writing minus 4 and minus 2. Okay, so we have 2 numbers, minus 4 and minus 2. Same sign. So both have same sign only. If both have same sign, what you will do? Okay, if you can do what? Add the numbers and keep same sign. Just remember, if both the numbers have same sign like this, here negative, here also negative. So add the numbers, add up the numbers and keep same sign. So what is that? That same sign you keep. So here add up the numbers. So 4 plus 2. Just add both the numbers, 4 plus 2. So you get 6. That's 6 you write. And the same sign you can write here. So the same sign I give here. So what is the answer? Answer is minus 6. This is what with the same sign. Here also we are doing the same. Plus 4 plus 2, not 2, let's take one another. Plus 1. Okay, plus 4 plus 1. Anyway, with the same sign. Addition. Here also addition only. So if we did both the addition, not addition, both same sign. Here same sign, same sign. Then move to rule 1, same sign. Add the numbers, keep same sign. Just add the numbers, 4 and 1. 4 plus 1, you will get 5. And keep same sign. So what the sign is in your question? Addition, addition. That same addition you are giving here. That it means. So I will write up one more example here. Let's write minus 12 minus 5. What do you do? Minus 12 minus 5. Okay, here what? The numbers with the same sign or different sign. See, both the numbers, both have the sign negative. Here also negative. So both have same sign. If it is same sign, add up the numbers. So 12 plus 7. 12 plus 7 is 7. 12 plus 5. 12 plus 5 is 17. Then you just give the same sign here, negative, negative. So put the negative symbol itself. So that's all about our rule 1. If it is same sign, it is very easy. Just add up the number and keep same sign what is in your question. So next we are going to check what is rule 2. In rule 2 we are facing different sign numbers. Numbers with different sign. Okay, let's check one example as 1 plus minus 8. Okay, numbers with a different sign. Then what to do? Subtract the numbers and use sign of larger. Subtract the numbers first. So here you are doing addition 1 plus minus 8. So you can see here both the signs is there. Both addition and the subtraction is there. So if it is coming addition and subtraction together, you are taking only what? Subtraction. If addition and subtraction together written like this, you are taking only subtraction. This one. Okay. Same like if you have two negatives together, you are taking, change this to, switch this to addition. Just remember this. If you have one addition and subtraction symbol together like this, just change to subtraction, switch to subtraction. And you have two subtraction symbols together, just switch that to addition, means plus. Okay. Now here we have to switch this one to 1 minus 8. Now we change to 1 minus 8. Now you can see 1 has the symbol, 1 means plus 1. 8 have negative 8. Okay. So both have different sign. 1 have the sign addition, 8 has subtraction. So if it is different sign, rule 2, subtract the numbers. So 1 and 8. So 8 minus 1, what you will get? 7. You will get 7. And use sign of larger. Use sign of larger value. Which one is larger value? 1 or 8? Which one is larger? 8 is larger. So you can write larger value 8. It has the sign negative. So you can write negative sign. Okay. So is it clear now? Is it okay? So let's try with some more example. The same thing. Okay. Only one thing you should remember the rules. Rule 1 and rule 2. These rules you have to check these rules, and this also you should keep in your mind. So let's write one another example. Minus 4 minus 5. How will it come? Minus 4 minus 5. Minus 4 is an integer. Minus 5 is an integer. Okay. So what we are doing here? Subtraction. Subtraction of integer. So how we are doing this subtraction of integer? Let's check that. See, on the next line we can write minus 4. These both negatives here. See, both negatives together. Then we will switch to addition. So you are writing as addition plus 5 and write this number directly. These two negatives. See, these two negatives switch to addition. Now you have minus 4 plus 5. So both the number have same sign or different sign. 4 have negative sign, 5 have positive sign. So same or different? Different, right? Okay. So we are moving with rule 2. So what you will do? Subtract the numbers. Okay. So 5 and 4. Just subtract 5 minus 4. What you will get? 1. That 1 you write here. Then use sign of larger number. So 4 or 5, which is larger? 5 is the larger one. 5 has the sign plus. So addition. So plus 1. So your answer will be plus 1. Understood? So I will write one more example. See, we are doing more examples for clear understanding. Then only we can start with our textbook exercise. So let's write example like minus 100 plus 100. So what do we get? Minus one another minus 100 minus 100. 100 minus 100. See, it is 3-digit numbers I have written here. 3 examples I have written. All are 3-digit numbers only. So let's check these two and I will give you some examples. Okay. Here we have the numbers 100 and 100. So let's check first what about the signs, minus and plus. So both have a different sign or same sign. What about different sign or same sign? Minus and plus. See, we know different sign. So rule 2, subtract the numbers that we are doing. So 100 minus 100, what you will get? You will get the answer 0. And use sign of larger. So here that is not needed because both the numbers are same. So you have to know one more thing. If you have same number with different sign, you can directly write 0. Okay. Minus 2 plus 2. What is the answer? 0. Minus 7 plus 7. What is the answer? 0. Okay. Same number with different sign, you can directly write 0 or you can switch with these rules also. Then let's check the second one. Minus 100 minus 100. So what we will do here? Minus 100 and minus 100. Here 100 has negative sign. Here also 100 has negative sign. So both have same sign. Negative, negative. So add up the numbers. 100 plus 100. What you will get? 200. Just add the numbers. See? If it is same sign, you are adding the number. So 100 plus 100. You will get 200 and keep same sign. Okay. So what sign given in question? That same sign. Here you have negative. So you just give negative. So your answer is negative 200. And let's move to the third one. 100 minus minus 100. See both negatives coming like this. What we will do? We will switch that to addition. So this step you can switch to 100 plus 100. This both negatives switch to addition. So 100 plus 100. So you will get 100 plus 100 as 200. Understood? So I hope you all understood the examples and the rules. It's very simple rule. Rule 1 and rule 2. So note these rules in your notebook also with all the examples we given here. So here I write 5 questions. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 questions is written with the same signs is the different signs is the. So you just study the rules first and based on the rules try to complete these questions in your notebook. Maximum try to avoid the mistakes. Okay. So you just understand the concept well. So you have this is your homework question also. So just understand the concept first. So it will be very clear for you. Okay. So all my dear students, do these problems well and make sure to practice well and take your time worthy. So that's all about our today's class, and on the next class we will do more examples regarding these integers. So now we studied addition and subtraction. On the next video we will study about multiplication and division of integers and more regarding our textbook exercise also. So that's all about today's class. Thanks for watching. Till then, bye.